What's up guys? Today I'm going to be doing an install that I've been wanting to do for a very long time. I just picked up a set of Valenti taillights. So I was able to pick up a set of used Valenti taillights from a fellow Arizona 86 member, and I cannot wait to get these on. They're actually in pretty good condition. They're the black housing with a smoked lens, non-sequential. They're pretty clean. Don't really have any scratches or anything on them. The previous owner did, however, they put a hole in the bottom because these taillights tend to get condensation sometimes. So there is one little blemish on this one, but other than that, they're pretty good condition. But cannot wait to get them on the car and see what they look like. I'm getting tired of these red ones. I'm sure someone would love to put them on theirs, but I'm kind of done with it. It doesn't really fit with what I'm trying to go for. So before we get started, please hit that like button for the quarantine beard, and please subscribe. That's really appreciated. And we just hit 200, so I'm super excited, and let's keep going. All right, we're gonna pop open the trunk. So we just have one clip right here. Then you pull this back. Then there's going to be four 8mm screws to take off. And first we can unplug this. There's a clip right here. There you go. Get that out of the way. Lose the screw. Every time I say that in a video, I always lose it. Not this time. Alright, all four screws are off. I'm holding it with this hand. We're unplugged. That should be it. There we go. Alright, now for the new one. There is like a locating pin right here that's normally on the back, but apparently they break off all the time because they were broken on my old taillights and they're broken on this one. So I'm not going to worry about that too much. Start a couple back here so don't fall. Alright, and of course it's just the reverse of what we just did. Get them hand tight. Since that locating pin isn't there, I'm gonna have to just kind of make sure it's already in place before we really secure them. And make sure you don't over tighten them, because definitely don't want to crack a lens. That would be pretty easy to do. And I'm gonna plug it back in, plug the new one in, and put everything back together. Alright, I'm gonna do the next one and I'll catch up with you guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this video with a few shots of the taillights, so as always, stay tuned and thank you for watching. Later.
I do what I do, go on and hate me, cause I got nothing to prove. Go on and hate me, cause I got nothing to lose.